Organizing your upcoming outdoor excursion? Don't leave these behind. We're listing 15 of the best camping devices in this video that will significantly improve your time spent outdoors. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness, going off-road, or just lounging beneath the stars. These devices, which range from space-saving tools and ingenious survival gear to smart cooking equipment, portable power sources, and creative lighting, are designed to make your camping vacations safer, more enjoyable, and more comfortable. Let's get started without further ado. Wet and rugged terrain demands footwear that keeps up without compromising comfort. The LiQWYD outdoor hiking shoes are quick dry water shoes designed for men, offering barefoot flexibility with sturdy soles for reliable traction. Their snug fit, rapid drying, and protective build make them ideal for kayaking, boating, hiking, surfing, and outdoor walking adventures. Sleeping outdoors shouldn't mean battling bugs all night. The NO Eagle's Nest Hammock's Guardian DX Bug Net delivers 360 degrees protection using superfine sky, weave mesh netting, and a Rigio line with an integrated spreader bar for spacious comfort. Lightweight and ventilated with dual doors, gear lofts, and universal NO hammock compatibility. Perfect for camping. Inflating gear on the go shouldn't be a hassle, especially off the grid. Introducing the StanSport Solar Pump, a compact solar rechargeable air pump with 5 nozzle adapters, a built-in lantern, USB-C charging ports, and a deflate function, ideal for mattresses, toys, and travel. Everything stores neatly in its included carry bag. Uncomfortable nights outdoors can ruin any adventure. The Elegear self-inflating sleeping pad offers ultra-thick high-tech memory foam for even weight distribution and 5-star comfort. Plus, a fast 20-seconded self-inflation system. Its 50D stretch knit fabric is breathable, quiet, and tear-proof with 4-season insulation for year-round camping comfort. Cooking outdoors shouldn't mean compromising on quality or convenience. The KingCam Camping Cookware set features 304 stainless steel pots, pans, and a kettle for fast, even heating on any heat source. A non-stick griddle, detachable bamboo handle, drip-free rim, and travel tote bag make it ideal for camping, picnics, or outdoor kitchens. Reliable outdoor cooking requires power, portability, and simplicity. The Gas One foldable portable camp stove delivers 8,000 BTU in a compact foldable design with a brass burner, enamel coating, and ventilation holes. Easy setup, auto ignition, temperature control, and an included carrying case make it ideal for camping, backpacking, or backyard cooking. Comfortable rest in nature requires strong protective gear that's easy to carry. Meet the CovaCure Camping Portable Hammock, a lightweight double hammock holding up to 772 pounds. Featuring ultra-strong nylon straps, aluminum pegs, and integrated bug net and compact storage. Ideal for hiking, backpacking, camping, travel, or backyard relaxation. Setup takes only minutes. Here are fantastic camping tools that will truly help you when you're in the woods. Which of these will go directly into your backpack? Comment below with your fave. We provide you with the best camping equipment, survival supplies, and outdoor technology every week, so if you learned something new today, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Until the next time, be careful, be prepared, and take advantage of the great outdoors.